My name's Ben, and I'm the head chef of the White Lion in Aldeburgh. I took over last April, so it's sort of nearly a year ago now, before the relaunch. I've been a chef for nearly over sort of 12 years, and I started off at a little place, the Western Crown, just down the road, and then just sort of briefly sort of moved up to Cambridge when I was a little bit older, and sort of stayed up there for about sort of 6 or 7 years. And then I decided to sort of come back down to home and sort of take a chance at the White Lion Hotel, and sort of bring my own sort of style to Aldeburgh, a little bit something different. The sort of style I'm doing at the minute is sort of a mixture of different styles. I mean, I like sort of all different foods across all different parts of the world and stuff. I'm very sort of big in sort of Thai influences, a little bit Asian, and some little Indian twists and bits and pieces, but I like to keep sort of basic stuff. Yeah, Brassy Blue is obviously a new sort of revamp, new look for the White Lion Hotel, and it opens on the 10th of April, and sort of we've got a few new little twists and turns coming from the kitchen. I've changed what I've been doing just to sort of revamp it in a little bit and just sort of make it a bit more modern, a little bit more into the day. And just sort of really sort of put White Lion back on the map. Well, a massive influence on my career has been sort of when I first started off with Jamie Oliver. He's been a massive influence through my career, sort of taking bits and pieces. But now, you know, there's new people sort of come about. You know, you got the likes of Tom Kerridge, pub with 2 Michelin stars, very big influence of like Heston Blumenthal, maybe a bit too extravagant for the White Lion. But it's just sort of not taking their ideas, it's sort of getting a little something and taking a twist on it of my own sort of self, and just sort of playing around and putting something on the plate which is sort of creative and which people will like and, you know, enjoy. Well, the benefits of being on the coast is sort of obviously you get the fresh fish. I've got like sort of Dean's Huts just next by the White Lion, and sort of I grab some sort of fish of the day specials off him. You know, it's just sort of like the fresh air around, and then just sort of being close to home, really, to sort of bring that sort of homey feel to the kitchen, and then obviously from the kitchen to the plate and then to the customer sort of thing. Yeah, and Aldeburgh is a beautiful little town, sort of hidden away, and then it'd be good to sort of give it a little bit of character with my cooking.